Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. It's a very somber video today. I'm in Gaylord, Michigan, and a tornado just came through. The roads are blocked off. There's massive destruction and devastation. All of Gaylord is without power. There's just so much destruction. Everything is shut down. I had friends that were here when it happened, and this is basically ground zero. I'm going to try to get a little bit of an idea of what all got hit. It looks like it came through this direction, going north and east. Well, Walgreens isn't touched, but there's a hole in a warehouse. There was some serious debris flying around here. Right over here, I don't recognize what it is. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get over there to see, but that's total annihilation over there. I heard Taco Bell got hit, but I don't see any damage. There's emergency crews everywhere. Everything is shut down everywhere. Pretty much the only thing you see is emergency crews. They said there wasn't enough emergency workers out here to take care of it all. I was able to get over a little closer to that place. Oh wow. Oh wow. Let me get it to come around closer. There's semi-truck containers on top of each other. Gordon's has been hit. Their AC is knocked over. I'm gonna get over there in a minute. There's debris everywhere. There's a car. It looks like they're bringing stuff over here. Right here was the main path. Just an extreme path of destruction. Look at that pile of just pieces of buildings in the trees, just piled up. What a mess. I don't even know what that was. It's all gone. There's a kayak. Somebody was on vacation. The street light is knocked over. You can see it came right through here. Look at the insulation in the trees. It's just pieces of buildings just piled up, just a mess. That's all fiberglass insulation. It's just loaded with insulation. Look at this. Just, there's pieces of pavement, chunks of pavement torn up. That container was shifted sideways. I gotta watch where my step here. I don't get too close. What a mess. Gordon's is ripped open. I'm right in the main path of it right here. What a mess. That's a truck. Oh, that's a semi-truck. Sorry, tried not to get you there. That's a truck. Oh, wow. What a mess. That's a seat to something. Gordon's is wiped. Look at that. Oh wow. It went right through here. So that's storm watch guys just getting here, so I'm right on the right time. People are trying to cover up their vehicles, prevent the rain from getting in. There's nothing left. There's just debris everywhere. News crews and storm chasers are just getting here. Oh, that's sickening. That's horrible. All the windows are gone. All the windows, the back windows gone. Look at that. Debris just tore through here. Okay, that was just a trailer. I wanted to see that. Oh, wow. You know what's insane? We were gonna go shopping. Look at how the cement hit that wall. We were gonna be here. We were almost here.
Yeah, actually, so a lot of these vehicles have been moved, slid over. Some of them have been tipped over. But majority of
I decided at the last minute not to go shopping. Can you imagine? We would have been right here. Oh, that is Aldi's. This was our favorite place to shop. Oh, that's sickening. Oh, that's sickening. This was our favorite store. Oh, no. It's just a mess. There's a light down on a vehicle. All the vehicles here are destroyed. This is ground zero right here, guys. This is ground zero. What a mess. Windows out. Windows out. They've got plastic up already. Five Guys is out. Five Guys is totally out. And Airbread is totally out. Oh wow. This is ground zero. Everything gone. There's a portable toilet blown over in front of Panera Bread from somewhere else. It's all gone. This is our town where we go shopping, guys. This is where we go. This is where we hang out. This is our main place to go. got crews already working, cleaning up. Just, everybody just abandoned their vehicles and left. They're lined up at the looks like the drive-through window. They're all just lined up. They're all just, all gone. What was that? Look at this. Alright, I gotta pick it up, guys. I have no idea what that's from. The sheriff is gonna put a curfew on town and shut it down. Oh, Goodwill is completely, absolutely gone. There's nothing. There's nothing left of Goodwill. Oh, we were gonna come to town. Can you imagine that? We were gonna come to town. We would have been here shopping. Oh, what a mess. Let me pause a minute. Look at the hole up in there. That was some serious power throwing that stuff around. Alright, I gotta stay away from this one. There's power lines down, so I've got to back away from here. They're trying to restore power, so I can't go this way. There's Hobby Lobby. Where am I? Camera. Here we are. They're wiped. This is as far as I can go because of the power lines, and they're going to start cleaning up. Well, Marathon got wiped. I don't even know what that was. That was a restaurant. I don't even know what that was. There's nothing left. Alright guys, well I gotta clear out. I might show some more scenes down behind, where the path went. There's another something sticking up in the air. What a mess. The electric company is just waiting for the cops to clear it out. Look at the ambulances. Oh. Oh. There's more. There's more coming in. I have no idea how many injuries there could have been, but look at all the ambulances. That's their staging area. There's news reporters, news crews, everybody's talking to everybody. I just had a reporter asking me questions. They're just, the news teams are just getting here. Oh, that's a classic. I love antiques. Oh. That one's gone. Roof blew open from the other side. Look at the insulation just hanging on stuff. That was a garage. It's all that's left is the doorways. Now, I'm not going to walk through because the power lines are down and they are wanting to restore. But look over here. That takes some power to do that. It appears to be the back end of it. There's a little bit of the roof gone on this one. Oh, back in here. But I gotta get out of town before the sheriffs come. They're shutting it down so they can clean up the mess.